Hello friends, here is a trigonometric challenge for you. Prove this in less than 2 minutes. 1 plus sec A upon sec A is equal to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. In such questions, a tip will come handy for you. If the identity is confusing, then solve left hand side and right hand side separately and show that they are equal. So if you use this tip, you can solve the identity in very small amount of time. So we'll start with LHS. LHS is 1 plus sec A upon sec A. So sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. Replace it by 1 upon cos A. So you have 1 plus 1 upon cos A divided by another sec A is there. Again replace it by 1 upon cos A. So take the LCM of the numerator. Cos A will be the LCM multiplied by 1. So you get 1 plus cos A upon cos A divided by 1 upon cos A. Now here you have got a cos A, here you have got a cos A. Both of them will get cancelled and you will be left with 1 plus cos A. Now we come to the right hand side. Right hand side is equal to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. This is equal to 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A, because we know that sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. Whenever we have such terms, we have to factorize it so that we get some common term which we can cancel. So when you factorize this numerator, you will get 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So here in the numerator and denominator, 1 minus cos A is common. So they will get cancelled and you will be left with 1 plus cos A. Now this is what we had got in the left hand side also. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence the identity is proved. For more such videos and trigonometric challenges, follow my channel, like and subscribe and share.